Hello again. I'm back for YouTube channel which is called Education 4-in-1. This Education 4-in-1, it comes for combining a science and English. The first one we did what you call mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and also English. Just now, as you see, today we are going to deal with what you call mathematics. So, they are in a simultaneous linear equation. There are 5 ways for solving simultaneous linear equation. The first one, let us call elimination. Elimination method. The second one, substitution. Sorry. Method. The third one is called comparison. Method. The fourth one is called the graphical. Method. The last one is called the grammar. Method. So according to in these 5 ways for solving simultaneous linear equation, I'm going to take one example in order to know how can use those 5 ways in order to find one answer. In the first one, let's take example. If I take 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. I take 4x minus 2y equal to 8. This is in the first example. We are going to show you how can use elimination method, substitution method, comparison method, graphical method, and the last one is called the grammar method. Let's use the first one, what you call elimination method. In elimination method, I'm going to take this equation. We have 2 variable numbers, x and y. We're going to find the value of x and the value of y. Let's take 2x minus 4y equal negative 2. 4x minus 2y equal to 8. In elimination method, we are going to eliminate one variable. Example, I take 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. 4x minus 2y equal to 8. What can I do? I'm going to eliminate. You can eliminate x or eliminate y in order to find the value for 1. If I'm going to eliminate, you can let's now eliminate Let's now eliminate what you call x. I have a 2 and 4. What I'm going to do, I can add thinkable number in order to find the same number in order to eliminate them. Example, now I take, let me put 2, -1. Is 2 I'm going to use in order to multiply here, multiply here, multiply here. I find 2 times 2 equals 4x, 2 times 4 equals 8y, equal to 2 times 2 equals -4. Then -1 times here I find -4x, negative times negative I find positive 2y equal to negative times positive. Every number that have no sign here means it has a positive sign. Negative times positive, I find a negative, negative. 1 times 8, I find 8. In order to eliminate, I put here plus. Then after, I remains one variable number. An example, if I found 4 plus -4, I find nothing. I find 0. This is 0. Negative plus positive, I find -6. Y, here there is find y equal to negative equal -12. Then -6y equal to -12. Negative cancelling each other, I find -6y over -6y equal to -12 over -6. Then after I find what you call negative cancelling each other. This means y equal to -12 over 6. Y will be equal to the value of y is 2. Then after find the value of y, I back 2 in my equation. I can choose the equation 1 or equation 2. I can choose, let me choose 1, equation 2. 4x minus 2y equal to 8. Okay? Then, if I have this equation and I have the value of y, I'm going to replace here. 4x minus 2, I replace the value of y is 2, times 2, I find 8. 4x minus 2, 2 times 2 equal 4. Then equal 8. 4x will be equal to 8. If I have, I'm going to arrange the same variable and the variable number. I have 4x is variable number. I have 8. This is 4. I remove from the right side to the left side. If I have negative, you remove it from here to put it will be equal to positive. Right now, I have 4. This negative will be positive. 4 means 4x will be equal to 12. X 4x over 4. Yeah, sorry, Yeah, will be equal to 12. X will be equal to 12 over 4. The value of x will be equal to 3. This means that elimination method, you have find that. You have find real ways that can help you to find the real answer. I find the y equal to and the x equal to 3. Means that the solution, real solution will be equal to 3 and 2. Means that this is the value of x and the value of y. So it's the first way. I'm going to show you the second way, which is called the substitution method. You find this the first way. Very nice. So let's go to another method, which we call substitution method. So now let's back in the second way, which is called the substitution method. Second way is called this substitution method. So now, as we see, we have here 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. 4x minus 2y equal to 8. Now, when I'm going to find the solution about of the value of x and y, we use a substitution method. In the substitution method is another method which can help you to find the value of x and the value of y. What can I do? In the substitution, it means in the substitution, I'm going to find the first. I'm going to find the value of x. Let us take equation number 1 and equation number 2. I have 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. How can I find the value of x? I can 2x will be equal to negative 2. Here I have negative 4y. If I carry it in the left side, this sign can change into positive 2, 4y. Means 2x equal to negative 2 plus 4y. X will become as y over 2. This is the value of x. In equation number 3, I find I'm going to replace it in equation number 2. Let's take equation 3, put into equation 2 in order to get equation number 4. I find 4x minus 2y equal to 8. This is equation number 2. I take the value of x and I replace here. The value of x, 4 bracket negative 2 plus 4y over 2 minus 2y equal to 8. In order to find the value of y, here I'm able to find the value of y. 4 times negative 2, I found negative 8. 4 times 4 equals positive 16y over 2 minus 2y equal to 8. Very interesting. After I'm going to solving, if I have whole number and the fraction number, I can put them into the fraction in order to find the whole number. Here you can put 1, and here you can put 1. In order to find this whole number, it has what you call fraction. If I have, we know we have the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple, I might find 2. Here I put 2 and the 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times here, I find this. Negative 8 plus 16y minus 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the 4y. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. This I can cancelling each other. Then I found the whole number. If I have 8 plus 16y minus the 4y, I can find the 16. So I'm going to arrange the variable number and the from here and the whole number. I have 16y minus 4y equal to 16. If I have negative, here can be positive 8. It's okay. Now, here you have 16y minus 4y, I find the 12y equal to 16 plus 8 equals 20, I think it will be 24. 24. Y will be equal to 12y over 12 will be equal to 24 over 12. The y will be equal to 24 over 12. Y will be equal to 2 by using a simple number. The value of y will be equal to 2. Then, after finding the value of y, we are going to see what you call the value of x. I back to my equation. I can choose equation 1 or choose equation 2. Now, let's go. Equation number 4x. Let me choose equation number 2 minus 2y equal to 8. I find the value of 2. I'm going to replace the value of 2. I'm okay to replace in the y. 4x minus 2 times 2 equal to 8. 4x minus 4 equal to 8. 4x will be equal to 8. If I have a negative 2, I take this whole number, I put to the left side. If I have a negative, can be positive 4. 4x will be equal to 12. The value of x, 4x over 4 will be equal to 12 over 4. I simplify x, then I find 3. Then solution will be equal to 3, 2. This is very light. It's very the answer is very the same for elimination and substitution. By using elimination and substitution, they are the same. The third method, it's what we call the comparison method. Let's back. Comparison method. In this comparison method, you understand the word what we call compare. I compare the something, compare with another thing. Just now, let's see what I'm going to comparing. I have 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2, we have 4x minus 2y equal to 8. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. I'm going to compare equation number 1. Compare equation 1 equal to equation 2. What can I find? Before we compare equation 1 and equation number 2, there is something you can think about. If I have 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. This is equation number 1. Let me see. Let me find the value of x. 2x equal to negative 2 plus 4y. You remember behind If you have a negative, it can change to positive. X will be equal to negative 2 plus 4y over 2. This is equation number 3. Now, after finding equation number 3, we're going to find equation number 4 from equation 2. If I have 4x minus 2y equal to 8, what can I find? X will be equal to 8 minus positive 2y over 4. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. I'm going to compare equation 3 and equation number 4. What can I find? Equation number 3 will be equal to equation number 4. Let's take, we have the value of x in equation number 3 and the value of x in equation number 4. I find that minus 2 plus 4y over 2 will be equal to 8 plus 2y over 4. What can I find? I can simply here I cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, this is 4 can come 4 minus 2 plus 4y will be equal to 8 plus 2y. This 4 came to multiply this whole, then 2 came to multiply for this. What can I find? 4 times negative 2, I find 8, which is negative, plus 4 times 4, I can find 16y. You see very clearly. Then 2 times 8, I find 16, plus 2 times 2, I find 4y. Then after, you are going to find the value of y, because we have y, which is called the variable number and the whole number. I'm going to arrange. Variable number comes right and the whole number comes the left side. If I have 60y, okay, then here I have positive, negative 4y equal to 16. Here I have a negative, comes here positive 8. Then 16y minus 4y, I remain 12. 12y. Then 16 plus 8, I remain 24. Then y, 12y over 12 will be equal to 24. 24 over 12. Then I simply y will be equal to 2. This is the value of y. Then after finding the value of y, I'm back to my equation 1 or equation 2. Do you get it? So, if I have the value of y, I'm going to replace. Let's take this. It's okay? 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. I have value of y. I'm going to find the value of x. 2x minus 4 times the value of y here, 2, I find negative 2. Then 2x minus 8 will go to negative 2. 2x will be equal to negative 2. Here I have negative, I move to whole number in this left side with positive 8. Then negative 2x equal to negative 2 plus 8 will be equal to 6. 2x over 2 will be equal to 6 over 2. I simply, x will be equal to 3. This is the value of x. Then the solution will be equal to 3, 2. This is very clear. This is the way of comparison method. From elimination method, substitution method, comparison method, we find the same answer. Graph have the coordinate, have the y and the x. In the graphical method, we have equation number 1, equation 1 and equation 2. What can I do? What can I think? When you have equation 1, we have a x and 2y. We are going to find what we call coordinates or points. We have x, y, and the points. Here, this is equation number 1. And equation number 2, we have x, y, and the points. Here, I need 2 coordinates or points. Let me take number 2. If I put here 0 and 0, so in the way, equation number have a 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. So if x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 2, I replace 0 minus 4y equal to negative 2. 2 times 0 equals 0, negative 4, y equal to negative 2. Negative cancelling each other. 4 minus 4y over negative 4 equal to negative 2 over negative 4. Then cancelling each other, y equal to the 2, yes, and the 1 over 2. 1 over 2. This is the value of y. 1 over 2, the coordinate will be equal to 0, 1 over 2. Then, if I have y equal to 0, what the value of x? If I have the 2, x minus y equal to negative 2. 0 to negative 2. Then 2x minus 0 equal to negative 2. 2x over 2 equal to negative over 2. The value of x will be equal to negative 1. I have a negative 1. Then the coordinate is equal to negative 1 to 0. After equation 1, we are going to look another coordinate in equation number 2. What can I do? So in the first, so let's look in equation 2. We have 4x minus 2y equal to 8. Let's see. If I put 0 and the y put 0. Right. 4 times 0 minus 2y equal to 8. Negative 2y equal to 8. Negative 2y over 2 equal to 8 over 2. Then equal to 8. There is no number that can get negative if there is if is variable. I change y, I multiply both sides. I put negative side and the negative side. Then I find y equal to negative 8. This is value of y. It has negative 8. Here we have negative 8. Then the point will be equal to 0 to negative 8. We're back at 2. Sorry. Yeah, we're back at 2. If I have 4x minus 2y equal to 8, what can I find? I have I have 4x minus 2 times 0 equal to 8. 4x over 4 will be equal to 8 over 4. I simplify, x equal to 8 over 2. Then after, x will be equal to 4. Here I have 4, point will be equal to 4 to 0. After finding that, I have a coordinate in equation number 1 and a coordinate in equation number 2. Now let us use graph. Let us use graph. In the graph, we have y coordinates and x axis, y axis and x axis. Where the line can meet is called 0 point. Now, let's think. I have coordinates. I have 0, 1, negative 1, 2, 0, 8 of variable number x and y. So, now it's okay. So now, let us go to Cramer's method. In the Cramer method, it is the final method that can help to solve this simultaneous equation. So now, let's look what we call number 5. Cramer method or rule. In the Cramer method, we have 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. Then we have 4x minus 2y equal to 8. According to this, in the Cramer method, we have to find what we call coefficient. Coefficient, in the first, you have to think. We have, let's, A1 and A2, B1 and B2. A1 equal 2, and A2 equal 4. B1 equal 4, and B2 equal, negative 4, negative 2. Coefficient equal to A1 and A2, B1, B2. Then you multiply in both sides. Coefficient will be equal to A1 times B2. Okay? Minus A2 times B1. Then coefficient will be equal to A1 is 2 times B2, negative 2 minus A2 4 times B1 negative 4. Then coefficient will be equal to negative 4 minus times minus equal positive 16. Then the coefficient will be equal to 12. The value of coefficient. Then when we're going to find the value of x, this is, let's take product negative 1, product 1 and product 2 equal to 8. Then if you find, so let us make verification. Verification is the last way that can confirm the or 3, 2. Let us take in the one of this. 2x minus 4y equal to negative 2. If I take the value of x and the value of y, then I thank you very much today.